Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mamta Mehta and today I am back with a makeup video. So आज की वीडियो में आपके साथ मैं बात करने वाली हूँ बेसिक बिगिनर्स मेकअप किट के बारे में. So everybody are in lockdown and जितने भी हमारे functions हो रहे हैं, जितने भी birthday parties, anniversaries या कोई भी functions हो रहे हैं, we all are celebrating at home. But you know, even being at home, we need to get a little ready for any functions. So आज मैं आपके साथ बेसिक अफोर्डेबल बिगनर्स मेकअप किट के अंदर आपको कौन सी चीजों की जरूरत है उसके बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ. So without wasting any more time, let's just dive into the video. First most important step while applying makeup or while doing skincare is to apply moisturizer. And two of my holy grail moisturizers I'm going to talk about today. The first one has to be the Himalayas Nourishing Skin Creme. This is how it looks like. I think I have used this particular moisturizer. मतलब इतने डब्बे इसे खत्म किए मैंने इसके. And this is such a beautiful formula, non-greasy. Even ये वाला moisturizer पूरा मेरा खत्म हो चुका है. मैंने और एक order इसका नायका पे place कर दिया है. This is इतना light formula है. This absorbs into your skin so beautifully. You can apply it before and after makeup. You can apply it in days and nights, anytime. And I really like it. मैं इसका formulation आपको दिखा लेती हूँ. This is how it is. I mean, it is a little thick formula, and especially I will recommend this particular moisturizers for all dry skin type people. And can you just see this? मतलब ये इतना जल्दी skin के अंदर absorb हो जाता है. This is how it looks like. It is so lightweight and so affordable. I really like this moisturizer. The next moisturizer which I am going to recommend you all is this Pond's Super Light Gel with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. This particular moisturizer is for oily skin people because ये एक gel formula है, but they also have a creme formula. You can even check that out. I will also show you the consistency of this. So this is how it looks like. This is basically a gel formula. तो ये आपकी स्किन में इतना जल्दी absorb हो जाता है, especially for oily skin people. This is like a boon for their skin. So if you are a dry skin person, you can go for the Himalayan Night Creme. Amazing. And if you are from the oily skin type, you can use this Pond's Light moisturizer in the gel formula. So the next thing which I want to talk about is foundation. The first and the most favorite foundation of mine has to be the Nykaa Skin Genius in the shade Warm Sand. It is so hydrating, and the minute you apply this foundation, it blends into your skin so seamlessly. It is a buildable coverage and long lasting also. Affordable category. I really like it. The next foundation which I want to talk about is the Infallible Pro Matte Demi Finish Foundation by Lakme, and this is the shade Natural Buff. And this foundation is like a pink tone foundation. This is not the yellow tone foundation. And this is an oil-free foundation, so you're not going to sweat after applying this. And also this is a 24-hour foundation. This is a long-lasting foundation. And it is also buildable. It's like a medium to sheer coverage, and you can build it up. So these are my two foundation recommendations for you all. So up next I want to talk about concealer. This product is Forever 52. This is a complete coverage concealer. This is how it looks like. I'll just show you all exactly how you can blend this. So I've just taken a damp beauty blender, and can you just see? I mean, it just took me hardly like 10 seconds, and ये skin के अंदर इतना जल्दी absorb हो चुका है. This is a full coverage concealer. I have not seen people talk about it, but really very good product. I mean, it is long lasting. It is full coverage. You just need a tiny amount, and it absorbs into your skin immediately. The next concealer I want to talk about is the Age Rewind by Maybelline. I think tons and tons of people have talked about it, and yes, definitely it is one of the best concealers. I am in the shade medium, and you can see how much I have already gone through. Again, it is a little thick formula, but you just need a tiny amount and you're good to go. It blends into your skin so seamlessly. It is long lasting. It is a full coverage concealer and I really like it. So these are my two concealers recommendation for beginners. Next, I want to talk about contour, blush and highlighter, and the most favorite contour palette I have come across from a very long time has to be the Wet n Wild contour palette. This is in the shade Caramel Toffee, and you can see this is such a huge pan. I mean, you will take ages to get over this. You have a banana powder and a contour powder both. So you are just sorted with one particular product. So you can use the banana powder to set your under eyes and set your face. And this will give you a very nice and a soft contour on your face. Beautiful, beautiful formulation. I think Wet n Wild makes such classy and affordable makeup products. So I would highly recommend you all to go and check this product out. Next up, I want to talk about blush, and most current favorite blush of mine has to be this Sugar blush. It is in the shade 04 Salmon Superstar. This is such a beautiful dark coral blush. I really like this. This is the one which I have used today. It is so soft, and this is so pigmented product. You just need the tiniest amount to go all over. I mean, I have used it today and it looks so beautiful, and I really like it. I mean, this is my current obsession, to apply a lot of blush onto my skin. Next, I want to talk about one particular highlighter, and this is the Lakme Moonlit highlighter. The best part about this product is that it comes with a highlighter and a contour duo. So you get 2-in-1 product. And this particular highlighter has like pink flakes into it. So this gives you a very subtle highlight finish. And it is again very pigmented, so you just need a very tiny amount. Also, one more recommendation which I have is this particular palette by Sugar. This is the Contour de Force 02 Vivid Victory, and this is how it looks like. Again, an amazing travel friendly product, and it has a blush, contour and a highlighter. I really recommend you all to buy. If you want to buy one particular product, I think this is the one you should go for. I mean, it has a contour, it has a highlighter, it has a blush into it. It is travel friendly. It is amazing formula, affordable. I mean, one of the best product. Beautiful packaging going all over. I would highly recommend you all to buy this. So talking about eyeshadow, I think if you have to buy only one particular eyeshadow palette, this is the one I would highly recommend you all to go for. This is by Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Nude Awakening. I mean, you have such incredible shades in this. You have shimmer shades to matte shades to dark black shade. I think you can create so many looks from these. I mean, neutral looks and to glam looks to, smoky eyes. I think one palette and you can create n number of looks by these. And talking about the formulation, I mean, these are so pigmented. I'll just swatch one or two for you. I mean, this is the best plum color. I mean, can you just look? This is just like one swipe and this is so pigmented. Also the black shade, I mean, it is so pigmented. And this is just one swipe. If you're a beginner, I think I would highly recommend you all to buy this. So talking about lipsticks, my first recommendation is by PAC. This is their Sweet Sensation lipstick. I mean, I think PAC Sweet Sensation range, I mean, they have so many shades, from browns to pinks to nudes. And these are like semi-matte, like not extreme matte and not extreme creamy, like glossy. So these are like the mid-range kind of thing. And I'm wearing one of the shade, which is Dolled Up 11 on my lips today. This is how it looks like. It is a pinky tone, and I really like the formula, because it's like, it's like the semi-matte finish. It's not extreme matte and not extreme glossy. It's like the mid-range kind of thing. I'll just show you the one which I'm wearing today. This is the one which I'm wearing today. This is Dolled Up 11. I really like the formula. This is really long lasting. And these are transfer proof lipsticks. I am wearing it today. I mean, You can see it is completely transfer proof. It is matte, amazing formulation. Another recommendation of mine is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lipstick. Amazing formulation, super matte. I am in the shade Nude Heat 14. I'll show you exactly how it looks like. So this is the shade. It is a dark pink shade, and right now it is a little glossy, but the minute it settles down, it will completely become matte. It is a matte formulation, so I would highly recommend you all to apply a good moisturizer before applying this lipstick. But this lasts you for such a long time, and I really like it. I mean, this is one of my current obsession. Talking about setting powders, I have only one recommendation, and I think that is more than enough. This is by Fit Me by Maybelline. I mean, hands down, one of the best setting powder in market. I am in the shade 25 medium, and this gives you such beautiful, flawless matte finish. This is finely milled powder, and you can use this as your compact too. I mean, I use it as my compact on a very regular basis. So talking about mascara, I have only one recommendation, and that is by Maybelline Colossal Mascara. One of the best mascara. I think Maybelline makes all the best mascaras in town, and I think they know their game. This particular one is one of my favorite. I am also wearing it today on my eyelids. It separates your lashes, it lengthens your lashes, it gives you a good volume, and it is long lasting, it is waterproof. So if you're looking out for a good affordable mascara, I think this is the one you have to go for. So talking about eyeliners, I have only one recommendation, and I don't know how many times I have repurchased this product, but this is by Lakme Absolute Shine Eyeliner. One of my best eyeliners. This, this gives you such a beautiful liner finish. This is matte, this is jet black, and I really like the applicator of it. It is thin, so you can, make thin and thick liners both. I'll just show you the formulation of the product. So you can see it is like just one swipe, and this is how it looks like, and it is a matte formulation, so once it dries out, it will completely become matte. So if you are looking out for an affordable eyeliner, I think this is hands down one of the best liner in town. So talking about setting spray, I don't have a particular setting spray, but this is what I use. This is the Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. So I use this as a setting spray. I also use this as a toner. So this is like a multi-functional product. I don't think as a beginner you need to invest in setting spray. You can use rose water as a toner and a setting spray both. So that is what I am using, and that is what I do from a very long time, and I don't find the need of buying a particular setting spray specifically. So that is it. These were some of my recommendations for y'all if y'all are a beginner, and if y'all are starting to invest your money into makeup. And please do go and check out Nykaa app. They are running some amazing offers. I think you can save on a lot of money in that. And if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comment sections what type of videos you all want me to do next. I would really appreciate that. And till then, take care. Bye.